National Covers is America's #1 choice for boat covers and bimini tops. For over 25 years, National Covers has offered superior products at competitive prices, all backed by outstanding customer service. Windstorm covers are available in over 40 patterns to match various boat styles. They are made in 1-foot increments of length to ensure a snug and tight fit. Windstorm Cooltech boat covers are manufactured with Aqualon Edge Cooltech marine-grade fabric that is uniquely designed to be 100% waterproof and reduce heat buildup under the cover by 30%. Windstorm boat covers come with an 8-year warranty and rot-proof double-stitch seams. Cooltech covers are available in popular colors. All Windstorm covers come with reinforced nose cone and rear corners, providing extra strength and protection. Windstorm boat covers feature a heavy-duty sewn-in shock cord in the hem. This will hold the cover in place and reduce billowing. Windstorm boat covers include a free XT strap kit with 12 10-foot heavy-duty cover straps. Sewn-in strap loops at 2-foot intervals provide a variety of options for strapping down the cover. Heavy-duty zipper on port side allows easy access to cockpit without having to remove the cover. Each cover includes 2 side vents to promote ventilation and reduce heat buildup. Windstorm series covers also include a convenient stuff sack for easy storage. Windstorm T-top boat covers are high-performance, full-featured covers made with Aqualon Cooltech marine-grade fabric. Windstorm Cooltech covers are designed to provide years of waterproof protection and heat reduction. National Covers, America's trusted cover source for over 25 years.